In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a game pass for Please Donate in Roblox on mobile device. The process is similar for Android and iPhone. Now, launch your Roblox app, navigate to the More page. Here you're going to find different option. Click on the option Create. Now here you're going to find the section of Experiences. Click on that. Select Manage Experience and tap it again to fully open the management options. Scroll down and make sure the privacy setting is set to public. If it's private, game passes won't work correctly, so change it to public if needed and save your changes. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Under monetization section, you're gonna find the option of passes. Click on that. If you have already created passes before, you'll see them listed here. If not, tap Create Pass. You can upload an image if you want, but it's optional and you can leave the default image. Give your pass a name and description. Then tap Create Pass. After creating the pass, it won't automatically be for sale, so you'll need to enable that. So click on the pass that you just created, then click on three bars. Select the option Sales. Now toggle on for the option Item for Sale. Now set a price. Keep in mind that Roblox takes a 30% fee, so if you price the pass at 100 Robux, you will receive 70 Robux. Once you have set your price, save the changes and confirm. When you go back to the passes section, you will now see that your game is enabled and listed with its price. Now you can exit the Create section and go back to Roblox home screen, open the Please Donate game, join a server and look for an available stand. Once you find one, place your stand and your game passes will automatically appear on that. From there, other players can donate Robux by purchasing your game passes. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.